Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Outplayed using an easy method. First, navigate to the official Outplayed website and download the application. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the simple on-screen instructions to install the software on your computer. After a successful installation, launch Outplayed to begin the initial configuration process. It's designed to be straightforward, getting you ready to record your gameplay quickly and efficiently. Once Outplayed is open, you'll be prompted to log in or create a new account. This step is quick and easy. Next, the application will ask for essential permissions to capture your gameplay. Please grant these for full functionality. Finally, you can select the games you want Outplayed to automatically record. This ensures you never miss a moment from your favorite titles, making the setup process incredibly user-friendly. Now, let's fine-tune your recording settings. You can easily adjust the video quality, resolution, and frame rate to match your preferences and system capabilities. Consider setting up custom hotkeys for manual recording or quickly saving those epic moments. Don't forget to choose a specific folder on your computer where all your recorded game clips will be saved, keeping everything organized and accessible for later viewing. With Outplayed set up, you're ready to capture and share your gaming highlights. Easily review all your recorded clips within the application's intuitive library. You can use the built-in editing tools to quickly trim and create short, impactful highlights from your longer sessions. When you've got that perfect clip, share your best moments directly with friends or on social media, all without leaving the Outplayed application.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.